story is about Tricky. So Tricky is a small dog who is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. Mistress means owner, a person who is in a position of authority. So that person is called Mr. or Mistress. Mistress is a female version of a lady. So Tricky is pampered and overfed. He falls seriously ill, and his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. So Tricky falls ill, and his mistress consults a surgeon for this. Why has he fallen ill? So does he perform an operation, and does the dog recover? So we are going to find out in this chapter. So whether an operation is on Tricky or not, or whether he is able to recover. So let us begin. I was really worried about Tricky this time. Okay, I was really worried about Tricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. He had become hugely fat, like a blotted. He had become hugely fat, like a blotted sausage, with a leg at each corner. His eyes, bloodshot and rheumy, stared straight ahead, and his tongue rolled from his jaws. So this story has been written from the perspective of the surgeon. So जिसके पास में लेके जाते हैं. So he now describes the situation that he was really worried about Tricky. This about Tricky this time. So this time का मतलब है कि probably ये पहले भी he is consulted regularly for Tricky. तो इसकी mistress है. So वो regularly Tricky को लेकर आती है इसके पास में. But this time he was really worried about Tricky. So he had pulled up his car. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street. Pulled up means you park your car at the side of a road. तो उसको कहते हैं pulling up your car. तो actually pull नहीं कर रहे हैं. So you are just parking at the side of the road. So I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. He had become hugely fat. तो जो ये image डाली है, so that is not wrong at all. He had become hugely fat like a sausage. तो sausage ये होती है. So this time I've placed images so that I don't have to draw them, and it is easier for you to visualize. Sausage क्या होता है? इस तरीके की shape की dish होती है, which is made out of meat. तो non-vegetarian dish है. So he had become like a blotted sausage. Blotted means something which has expanded. So for example, if you eat a lot, so you'll become bloated. या अगर for example rajma अगर आप भिगोने के लिए डाल देते हो overnight, so in the morning you'll find blotted rajmas. So probably now you can make the sense of this particular word. So he had become hugely fat like a blotted sausage with a leg at each corner. तो imagination क्या है जो डॉक्टर है उसकी, मतलब how is he describing? तो this is a sausage और the sausage has leg at each corner. बस इतना इस हिसाब से दिखाई दे रहा था. His eyes bloodshot and rheumy. So bloodshot means of blood color. तो red, probably red color ही होगी उसकी eyes, and rheumy. So rheumy is a disease in which your eyes are watery. तो ये वाली जो image डाली है मैंने. So his eyes were red and rheumy. That means watery. Stared straight ahead, and his tongue rolled down from his jaws. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to explain. He was so listless, Mr. Harriet. He seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. So I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up. Some malt and cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. So Miss Pumphrey hastened means she haste means to act quickly, कि जल्दी जल्दी अगर कुछ कर रहे हो, so that means you're doing it in haste. So she hastened to explain that when the veterinary surgeon pulled up and he saw Tricky in such a condition. So Miss Pumphrey hastened to explain that he was so listless. He means Tricky was so listless. Listless means devoid of energy. He बिल्कुल जान नहीं है इस तरीके से. He was so listless, Mr. Harriet, that he seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. So she probably thought that Tricky is suffering from malnutrition. तो ऐसा dog है, तो you can yourself see कि कहीं से भी malnutrition तो नहीं लगेगा ऐसा. So she thought that he must be suffering from malnutrition. So she started. So I have been giving him some little extras between the meals to build him up. So she started giving him something extra. कि जो meals हैं, for example, you eat 3 meals a day. ये breakfast, lunch, dinner कर लिया. So probably Tricky की भी यही meals होंगी. So she thought that Tricky is malnourished. तो बीच-बीच में भी और कुछ देने लगी. तो क्या क्या देने लगी? Some malt, cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks. The malt is this, ये वाली जो image है. So this is malt. Malt क्या होता है? कोई भी cereal है, जवार हो गया, गेहूं हो गए, तो इन cereals को अगर आप गीला छोड़ दोगे तो ये स्प्राउट करने लगेंगे. तो स्प्राउट्स नॉर्मली आप क्या कहते हो, जो अगर दाल को भिगो दोगे तो दे आर गोइंग टू स्प्राउट. तो मॉल्ट इज स्प्राउटेड सीरियल्स. तो कोई भी सीरियल है अगर वो स्प्राउट करने लग जाता है थोड़ा बहुत, उसके बाद में उसको ड्राई कर देते हैं, देन इट इज कॉल्ड मॉल्ट. एंड कॉड लिवर ऑयल. तो कॉड इज अ फिश. तो ये मच्छी है which is called, whose name is cod, whom we call cod. और cod liver का कुछ ऑयल निकालता है which is considered as healthy. कुछ vitamins वगैरह होते हैं, शायद vitamin D3 वगैरह होता होगा, omega 3 fatty acids वगैरह, इस तरीके की चीजें होती हैं cod liver oil में. So ये देने लग गई थी. And Horlicks तो पता ही है. So that's why I haven't put up a picture of Horlicks. So खाना दे रही है, उसके अलावा ये चीजें और दे रही हैं in between. And Horlicks at night to make him sleep, कि भी नींद आ जाए, because he is lacking so energy. जैसे कि नींद नहीं आएगी if he is not going to eat so much. And nothing much really, कि बस इतना ही है, उससे ज्यादा क्या. Okay, and did you cut down on the sweet things, as I told you? So the doctor asks कि have you cut down on the sweet things? That means जो भी sweet dish देती होंगी, for example candies देती हैं, केक खिला देती होगी, जो कुछ भी sweet खिलाती है. So probably जो पहले कंसल्ट किया था, so the doctor would have told her not to feed her sweet things, कि कुछ भी मीठा मीठा नहीं खिलाना है. So she replies, oh, I did for a bit, but he seemed to be so weak, I had to relent. He does love cream cakes and chocolates, so I can't bear to refuse him. So she said that she tried that she won't feed him sweets, but because Tricky was so weak, he lacked so much energy, so she had to relent. Relent means she had to surrender. For example, when you demand something, तो उसके बाद में जिद करने लग जाते हो कि ये चीज तो चाहिए, I want this. अगर खाना है तो I want this dish today. So your parents relent कि okay, I'll give you this particular thing. अच्छा ये चीज कर लो, I'll give you this. So that means relenting to something or someone. So because he loves cream cakes and chocolates, so she couldn't bear to refuse him. इसकी इतनी मजबूरी है कि इसको तो चाहिए है, so that is why she is going to feed him. I looked down again at the little dog. That was the trouble. Tricky's only fault was greed. So when he looked at Tricky, so the doctor realized कि Tricky की सिर्फ एक ही fault है, that he is greedy. इसको लालच है. He never refuses food. He had never been known to refuse food. कि जितना आता है आने दो, किसी चीज के लिए मना नहीं है. जो खिलाना है, हॉर्लिक्स खाना है, आने दो. Vegetables भी खानी है, वो भी खा लेंगे. Cakes, chocolates, bring anything. He never refused anything. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. जब भी खिलाओ, he'll tackle a meal. Tackling tackle जैसे कबड्डी वगैरह खेलते होगे, so you understand what is tackling. So he would tackle a meal at any time, at any hour of day or night. And I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. So ये चीजें तो उन्होंने mention कर दी, because he is a doctor, so she must have hidden certain things कि और भी चीजें खिलाती होगी, which we probably come to know as the chapter progresses, which she didn't mention, but she does feed him. So the doctor asks her, are you giving him plenty of exercise? Well, he has his little walks with me, as you can see, but Hodgkin, the gardener, has been down with lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. So she says that, as you can see, that he is having walks with me, so ye exercise to ho hi rahi hai, obviously. But Hodgkin, so Hodgkin is the name of the gardener, of her gardener, so he is down with lumbago. So lumbago is a back problem with the back. So ये image जो डाली है, तो lower back में problem हो जाती है, pain in the lower back, so that is lumbago. So ring throwing activity नहीं हो रही है. This sort of game is ring throwing activity. तो जो भी ring फेंकते हैं, and the dog catches it and brings it back. So exercise में only the walks are being done, nothing else. I tried to sound severe. Now I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he's going to be really ill. You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. So the doctor tried to sound severe, जो मैंने कोशिश की अभी, to be very serious about the situation. That he really means this, that if you don't cut his food, if you don't reduce his diet, and you don't make him do more exercise, he's going to be really ill. You must harden your heart and keep him on a strict diet. Miss Pumphrey wrung her hands. So this is जो ये image में करनी है ना, this is wringing your hands. इस तरीके से जो action कर रहे हैं. Oh, I will, Mr. Harriet. I'm sure you're right, but it is so difficult, so very difficult. She set off head down along the road, as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. तो ऐसे act किया कि she head down along the road कि आज तो यही करना है. Now from now on, Tricky is going to be in a strict diet, और ये सिर्फ exercise ही करता रहेगा. Diet में मतलब all the sweet things, everything cut down. तो act तो इस तरीके से किया that she is going to do all this. I watched their progress with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. So tottering means this type of expression, droopy kind of expression. He was tottering along in his tottering means मतलब droopy होकर वो लड़खड़ाता हुआ साथ चलने की कोशिश कर रहा था. Along his little tweed coat. So tweed is a material जिसका कोट बना होता है. डॉग कोट्स तो देखे होंगे आपने. तो tweed is the variety of that material जिसका कोट बना है. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats for cold weather and a raincoat for wet days. He struggled on, drooping in his harness. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Miss Pumphrey. So when she left with Tricky, and Tricky was tottering, मतलब लड़खड़ाता हुआ जा रहा था. तो इतना मोटा dog है, so how is he going to walk? So that is why he was tottering in his little tweed coat. Or when he saw the tweed coat, he's mentioning the tweed coat. So he also says that he has a whole wardrobe of these coats. कि पूरी अलमारी भरी हुई है भाई इसकी. तो he has all sort of coats. कि morning के लिए अलग, hot weather के लिए अलग, cold weather के लिए अलग. He even has a raincoat. So he struggled on, drooping in his harness. So इस तरीके की कुछ शक्ल इसकी बनी हुई है. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Miss Pumphrey. So he expected कि अभी तो ये जा रही है, but she is soon going to call him for Tricky. The expected call came within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. Distraught means tensed. Something of this kind. This image. परेशान है. Tricky would eat nothing, refused even his favorite dishes, and besides, he had bouts of vomiting. He spent all his time lying on the rug, panting. Didn't want to go for walks. Didn't want to do anything. So why did Mrs. Pumphrey call him? Call the doctor? Because Tricky was not eating. He would eat nothing, even his favorite dishes, and he had bouts of vomiting. Means bout mean rounds of vomiting. He was vomiting a lot, and he was just laying down on the rug. Rug means a mat sort of thing, carpet sort of thing, and panting. Panting means slowly breathing. He wasn't able to breathe properly, and he even didn't want to do walks. He want to do anything, even for didn't want to go for walks. I had made my plans in advance. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. तो डॉक्टर जो था इसने पहले से माइंड बनाया हुआ था that what he's going to do now. He said that Tricky had to be hospitalized now. इतनी बुरी condition हो गई है. Only when he is going to be hospitalized, only then his condition can improve, and that too for a fortnight. Fortnight means 2 weeks. So for a fortnight he'll be hospitalized, and then only can for keeping him under observation. The poor lady almost swooned. Swoon means she became extremely sad. This is the image that you get when you Google search swoon. She was sure he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. So she became very sad, and she was concerned that Tricky would die if he did not see her. Tricky is so attached to her that he wants to see her every day, and he would die if he didn't see her every day. But I took a firm line. Tricky was very ill, and this was the only way to save him. In fact, I thought it best to take him without delay. So the doctor had made up his mind कि इसको तो लेके ही जाना है. Followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailings. So wailings means the concerns or complaints कि क्या होगा, इस तरीके से हो जाएगा, ये क्या करेगा, किस तरीके से खाएगा, how is he going to follow his diet वगैरह वगैरह. So all the wailings, all the crimes. This is an image that I put up for wailing. All the cries that she made in front of the doctor to not take Tricky with him to the hospital. I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. So he wrapped the dog in a blanket. वो रग पे तो लेटा हुआ था, उसको wrap किया, and he took him into the car. The entire staff was roused, and maids rushed in and out, bringing his day bed, his night bed, favorite cushions, toys, rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper bowl. Realizing that my car would never hold all this stuff, I started to drive away. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey was despairing, with a despairing cry, threw an armful of little coats through the window. I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. So जैसे वो लेके जा रहा था, so the entire staff of Mrs. Pumphrey was roused. Roused means energy, मतलब it gained energy, and they started doing some certain things. And what were those things? They started bringing his day bed, night bed. तो bed भी उसके अलग थे, दिन में अलग में सो रहा है, रात में अलग सो रहा है. His favorite cushions, toys and all. और बाउल भी देखोगे, in which he used to eat. He had a separate breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper means dinner. तो हर एक मील के लिए अलग बाउल था, वो भी दे रहे. The doctor realized कि his car can't hold so much of things. तो उसने कहा कि जल्दी से भगा लेते हैं, नहीं तो ये तो डालते ही जाएंगे चीजें. As he was moving, Mrs. Pumphrey, what she did was कि उसके coats ले आए कि at least Tricky would require all these coats. उसके तो बाल है ही नहीं, that he wouldn't survive without these coats. So she threw the coats through the window of the car inside it. So when he drove off, when the doctor drove off, So he found that everybody was in tears, not just Mrs. Pumphrey. जो भी maids हैं और जो भी staff है, everyone was in tears कि Pumphrey जा रहा है अभी. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side. So he glanced means he looking for a short period. So he glanced down. Pathetic little animal. So he's calling Tricky as pathetic little animal because pathetic, the dog is not pathetic. It is his condition which is pathetic. Gasping on the seat. Gasping means he's struggling to breathe in on the seat. So he patted the head. I patted the head and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. So when he patted on Tricky's head, Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. So why does he call it a brave effort? क्योंकि इसकी हालत इतनी खराब थी, he wasn't able to do anything. He wasn't even able to breathe properly. So he thought that even if he is wagging his tail, that is a very brave effort. Poor old lad, I said. You haven't a kick in you, but I think I know a cure for you. So he calls Tricky as poor old lad. Poor, again, to describe his condition. Lad means boy. So poor old lad, you haven't a kick in you. That means you don't have that spirit in you. But I think I know what is going to cure you. At the surgery, the household dogs searched around me. So surgery is probably the clinic of the doctor. He calls it the surgery because probably he also conducts the surgery for the dogs at his clinics. That household dogs surge around me. So surge means suddenly gathered. कि बहुत सारे एक साथ में आ जाते हैं, तो that is called a surge. तो अगर बहुत ज़्यादा demand भी हो जाएगी तो that means something the demand is surging. So basically rising, surge का meaning increase in quantity or rising. So जितने भी dogs थे उसके घर में, obviously he was a veterinarian. So that is why he had a lot of dogs. So जितने भी dogs थे इसके पास में, all of them surrounded him. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes, and when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. So Tricky looked down at the noisy pack. Pack is a group of dogs. तो जो dogs का group होगा उसको pack कहते हैं. So it was a noisy pack. Dogs और क्या करेंगे? They'll make noise. So he saw them with dull eyes because of his condition, of course. And when the doctor put him down, he lay motionless. क्योंकि condition खराब थी ना, काफी vomit वगैरह किया. So he lay motionless on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing around him for a few seconds, decided he was uninteresting object and ignored him. So dogs वाला काम करेंगे. They start sniffing everyone, anything new that comes in. और थोड़े sniff किया, उसके बाद में they didn't find him interesting. He boring है, पड़ा हुआ है. Let him be. So he's an uninteresting object. I made up a bed for him in warm, loose box next to the one where other dogs slept. So instead of taking the bed, he made a bed in a box. Box लिया, उसके अंदर bed बना दिया next to other dogs who slept. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. तो 2 दिन तक कुछ खाना नहीं दिया है, इतना खा चुका था. Only water was fed to him. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings. So he gained consciousness. His condition automatically improved just on water, and he started to show some interest. That means he was more energetic now. He was able to observe his surroundings now. And on the third, he began to whimper when he heard dogs in the yard. So abhi tak he was in his box or in his bed, and by the third day he began to whimper. Whimper means जो थोड़ी sound निकालते हैं ना, कूं कूं type की sound जो करते हैं. That is why I put this picture. Dogs generally make that sound when they're probably scared. So he began to whimper or when he heard the dogs. So probably he wanted to meet the dogs because there were other dogs. अपनी community के लोग हैं, so obviously Tricky would like to meet them. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Jaw, the greyhound. So when he opened the door where Tricky was kept, he trotted out. That means he jumped out and was engulfed by Joe. Engulfed means he was covered entirely. So greyhound जो होते हैं, they are very big dogs, huge dogs, giant dogs भी कहते हैं इनको. So he was engulfed by, मतलब he was entirely covered by the greyhound, by Joe. Joe is the name of the greyhound, and his friends. So all his friends, Joe and his friends covered Tricky. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. So again, a dog-like thing to do. Dogs क्या करते हैं? दूसरे dog अगर होगा तो they are going to inspect them properly. So they are going to sniff them. Dog जो जिसको inspect करेंगे वो लेट जाएगा. They are going to make him roll over and inspect him. So once that is done, they started. They moved out in the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. So Tricky, because he was too fat, when he was he followed them, when he followed them down the garden, so he rolled slightly. That means he probably slipped slightly. वो गिर गया होगा. That is why he would have slightly rolled. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls. There was the usual headlong rush, followed by sounds of high-speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. So Tristan is probably the steward for for the doctor. So who works for the doctor, the household maid type. So he slopped the food into the bowls. Slopped means he put the food into the bowls of the dogs. So if you have had dogs, अगर dogs कभी पाले हैं, तो you are going to realize कि dogs क्या करते हैं. अगर एक से ज्यादा हैं, तो there is also always going to be a competition between the dogs. कि पहले अपना खाएगा और उसके बाद में दूसरे को खाने लगेगा. तो यहाँ पर तो बहुत सारे dogs थे. तो as they heard the sound of putting the food into the bowl, they began high speed eating. कि जल्दी जल्दी से खाते हैं कि एक तो अपना प्रोटेक्ट करना है कि if you are late, other dogs are going to eat your food. और दूसरा, if you once you finish your food, you can eat other dogs' food. तो ये जल्दी जल्दी करने लगे. Probably Tricky also tried to follow the suit. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk around the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. अभी Tricky क्या था, मतलब he was a rich dog, उसको आदत नहीं थी ये चीज करने की, because he was overfed. खाना तो अपने आप मुंह में डाल के दे रहे उसको. So he took a round around the shining bowls. कि he looked at the bowls which are kept, कि उसके अंदर क्या है, and licking casually inside one or two, just to check कि भाई कैसा खाना है, किस तरीके का है. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. तो एक और बाउल रख दिया for Tricky, and he was the doctor was pleased to see him jostling his way forward. Jostling means rushing his way towards it. From then on, his progress was rapid. तो 3 दिन तक इसने कुछ नहीं खाया था. The 4th day, he was given food. तो इतना ज्यादा उसको खाना खिलाया हुआ था that he could survive 3 days without food at all. From then on, his progress was rapid. He had no medical treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. So no other medical treatment was given. कि कोई सर्जरी नहीं, कुछ नहीं किया हुआ. All the time he ran with the dogs, he played with them in friendly scrimmages. So scrimmages means friendly, means small little fights, friendly fights. तो dogs जो करते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ में लड़ाई जो भी खेलते हैं. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on, squashed every few minutes. So bowled over mean कि टक्कर मार के फॉर एग्जाम्पल गिरा दिया एंड यू रोल ओवर. ट्रैम्प्ड ऑन, ट्रैम्पिंग मीन्स स्टेपिंग ऑन, कि अगर dogs are not going to care if you have rolled, if you are bowled over, they're not going to walk over you, they are definitely going to go walk over tricky. And squashed every few minutes. Squashed means squash क्या होता है, मतलब you try to squeeze something. तो अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई ऑरेंज है तो ऑरेंज को मैंने पिचका दिया तो दैट मीन्स आई स्क्वॉश्ड द ऑरेंज. तो बिकॉज देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ डॉग्स तो वो भिज जाता होगा बीच में. सो ही एंजॉयड ऑल दीस थिंग्स, डॉग लाइक थिंग्स. ऑफ कोर्स ही बिकेम एन एक्सेप्टेड मेंबर ऑफ द गैंग, एन अनलाइकली silky little object among the shaggy crew. So he was accepted as part of the gang, and he was an unlikely skinny little object among the shaggy crew. तो ऐसा क्यों मेंशन किया हुआ है? Because he was different. इसको बहुत ज्यादा पैम्पर किया हुआ था, तो इसकी जो hairs थे they were too silky. बहुत ज्यादा केयर की हुई थी. For example, if you are going to wash your dog every day, make him bath every day, use cosmetic products, तो इस तरीके का हो जाएगा. As compared to, he was silky little object among the shaggy crew. Shaggy means काफी shaggy like, मतलब shabby थोड़ा सा आपका appearance है. Proper सुबह जिस तरीके से उठते हो ना, for example, now most of the time you are indoors, probably all the time you are indoors, तो you don't care to have a bath कि नहाएगा कौन, कपड़े कौन चेंज करे. तो अगर शैगी अपीयरेंस देखनी है तो अपनी शक्ल जाकर शीशे में जरूर देखना. सो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी अ शैगी अपीयरेंस. व्हेन यू डोंट हैव बाथ, व्हेन यू डोंट चेंज योर क्लोथ्स, व्हेन यू डोंट टेक केयर योरसेल्फ. सो जो शैगी क्रू मींस द एंटायर गैंग, तो जो पूरी क्रू थी दैट वाज शैगी, एंड ही वाज एन अनलाइकली सिल्की लिटिल ऑब्जेक्ट, fighting like a tiger for his share of meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. So he also enjoyed doing all these things, and he was fighting like a tiger. So use of a simile, ये simile है, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times, कि खाना खाने के लिए अब 3 दिन तक तो भूखा रहा है. now he also wants to feed, और इसका तो ज्यादा feed करने की आदत है, तो he now had to fight for meals and hunting rats at old hen house. तो dog वाले काम है. dog also like to hunt, dog like to hunt rats, और वहां पर एक hen house होगा, so probably वहां पर they used to, all the dogs used to hunt rats. he had never had such a time in his life. तो पूरा टाइम तो मम्मी के साथ में रहा है, मिसेस पम्फ्रीज, तो he never had such a time in his life before. All the while, Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. So what Mrs. Pumphrey did was she hovered anxiously. Anxiously तो पता ही है, मतलब she was anxious, she was feeling uneasy, she was concerned about the dog, and she hovered. Hovering means देखो होवर नॉर्मली फ्लाइंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स के लिए यूज होते हैं. जैसे हेलीकॉप्टर है तो हेलीकॉप्टर एक ही जगह के आसपास में अगर घूम रहा है, सो दैट इज होवरिंग. या कोई भी बीज है तो इफ बीज आर होवरिंग अराउंड, मूविंग अराउंड एट द सेम प्लेस, तो जो मिसेस पम्फ्री है तो उनकी भी जो अटेंशन थी दैट वाज होवरिंग अराउंड इन द बैकग्राउंड. मतलब उनकी अटेंशन मतलब बार बार में ट्रिकी पर ही थी. सो शी रैंग हिम अ डजन टाइम्स अ डे. Rang means she called him over a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. Latest bulletins means latest news. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convulsing rapidly. So he dodged. Dodge means he escaped. Dodge karna matlab, for example, uh, I throw a ball at you with the intention of hitting you. कि मारना है मुझे ball, I throw it at you, but you escape it. So बच जाते हो उससे. So that is dodging. Mrs. Humphreys used to ask a lot of questions. So काफी सारे questions. So the doctor used to dodge them. What kind of questions were they? That whether his cushions were being turned regularly or not, or his coat worn according to the weather. So इस तरह की question he tried to dodge them क्योंकि ऐसा तो ये कभी नहीं करे. Whether cushions are being turned or not, so कुछ ज़्यादा ही pamper किया हुआ था. Or whether he is wearing the correct kind of coat, तो इसने तो शायद coat पहनाया भी नहीं हुआ है. As we look at the picture, coat ही नहीं पहनाया. So he used to try to dodge all these kind of questions. But I was able to tell that the fellow was out of danger and convulsing rapidly. Convulsing means he was recovering rapidly. So he just told him that he is out of danger and he is recovering very well. The word convulsing seemed to do something to Mrs. Humphreys. She started to bring round, fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. So when he said that Tricky is convulsing rapidly, so this word convulsing, that means he was recovering rapidly. So this word did something to Mrs. Pumphrey, and she started to bring eggs for Tricky. So एक egg, 2 egg नहीं, 24. That means 2 dozen eggs at a time she used to bring for Tricky to build up his strength. कि भाई जल्दी recover करे, he becomes strong early. तो उस egg का क्या करते थे? The doctor and his partners used to eat those eggs. Dogs को नहीं दिया, वो खुद बनाकर आराम से 2-2 अंडे का breakfast कर रहे. So it was fine till then. Eggs आ रहे हैं, वो खा रहे हैं. It was fine till then. But after that, bottles of wine began to arrive. ये wine भी पिलाती थी अपने dog को. So the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn. कि अब इस situation से क्या क्या हो सकता है? The doctor started to realize. Dawn on the household means, dawn क्या होता है? Early morning का होता है ना, मतलब before the sunrise का होता है. When the first rays are just coming down. So that is dawn. So real possibilities of the situation began to dawn. He began to understand the possibilities of the situation. कि अभी ये ट्रिकी यहाँ पर है तो क्या क्या और आ सकता है, क्या क्या और चीजें मिल सकती हैं. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. तो वाइन पिलाना था to enrich Tricky's blood कि इसकी immunity ज्यादा boost होगी. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. तो ब्रेकफास्ट में तो एग्स खाने लग गए डॉक्टर और उसके पार्टनर, और लंच में लंच बिकेम अ सेरेमोनियल ओकेजन. सेरेमोनियल ओकेजन इसलिए क्योंकि इन यूरोपियन कंट्रीज कोई भी सेरेमनी होती है, कोई भी पार्टी होती है, तो वाइन इज सर्व. तो लंच बिकेम अ सेरेमोनियल ओकेजन क्योंकि 2 ग्लास ऑफ वाइन सुबह सुबह होता था एंड मतलब बिफोर द मील, बिफोर द लंच 2 ग्लास तो हो जाते थे, और उसके बाद में many more glasses during the meal. तो आराम से एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. ब्रेकफास्ट में एग्स हो रहे हैं और वाइन इन दी वाइन विद द लंच. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. So finally brandy or बेजदी, तो brandy, if you people are not aware, it is an alcoholic drink. तो वाइन तो भेजी थी, अब ब्रांडी भी भेज दी टू पुट अ फाइनल एज ऑन ट्रिकीज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. तो ये बस कहने के लिए कहा हुआ है, मतलब इट इज अ मैनर ऑफ सेइंग कि इट वाज द फाइनल थिंग टू बी रिटन ऑन ट्रिकीज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. कि ट्रिकी क्या क्या करता था, क्या क्या खाता था, वो सारी की सारी चीजें अभी पता चलने लग रही है. सो फॉर अ फ्यू नाइट्स द फाइन स्पिरिट वाज रूल्ड अराउंड, inhaled and reverently drunk. So for a few nights, what was done? The fine spirit, that means brandy, was rolled around. उसको आराम से रोल करते थे. They used to inhale, कि smell करते थे, and reverently drunk. That means respectfully drunk. ये reverently के लिए मैंने image डाली थी. So it was reverently drunk. कि ये brandy आप यहाँ कैसे आ गए? मतलब how come you are in our house and we are able to drink you? So that sort of respect. They were days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midway wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. So these were days of deep content. कि भाई इससे ज़्यादा क्या चाहिए? Contentment हो जाता है ना among people. कि अब क्या हो रहा है कि मतलब eggs खा रहे हैं सुबह, midday में wine पी रहे हैं, and finishing luxuriously around the fire. Fire के आसपास में बैठ के brandy पी रहे हैं. At the end of the day. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight, felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was waiting collection. So the doctor was tempted कि और थोड़ा रख लेते हैं, थोड़ी और चीजें, मतलब you become used to the wine and the brandy. So एक बार तो ख्याल आया कि we should keep him as a permanent guest. But because he knew that Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, she was quite sad because Tricky was not with her. So he was compelled. Compulsion यूं नहीं, किसी और ने दबाव डाला है, because he was compelled by his own conscience to call her and tell her that the little dog had recovered. Tricky has recovered and you can now take him with you back to your home. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. So, जैसे कॉल किया 30 minutes में, a 30 feet of gleaming black metal. So, this is to describe the car. ये 30 feet लंबी चमकती हुई काला लोहा, a black metal, a gleaming black metal of 30 feet drew up outside the surgery. The chauffeur opened the door. So chauffeur क्या होता है? The driver basically, who is driving the car, he opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey, almost lost in the interior. So she was sitting inside, and the doctor could only see that yes, some sort of figure is sitting. Said probably Mrs. Pumphrey is sitting inside the car. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. So clasped means gripped. So her hands were gripped in front of her. Her lips trembled. Trembled means her lips shook. Move करते हैं ना because of fear or excitement. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? Yes, he's fine. There's no need for you to get out of the car. I'll go and fetch him. So doctor's name is Mr. Harriet. So he said that you don't need to get out of the car. I'll just fetch him. Fetch him means I'll just get him and give it to you. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling around and round the lawn, round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ear flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. So when he went inside the house, so a mass of all the dogs were hurtling, means running round and round on the lawn. So chakkar laga rahe hain, फालतू में dog kind of things again. And in their middle was Tricky, whose ears were flapping. Kaan bade hain, so his ears were flapping, tail waving, and he had a little. He called him little golden figure. So because he was brownish or golden colored. In 2 weeks, he had transformed into a lithe, hard-muscled animal. So in 2 weeks, he had transformed into a lithe, hard-muscled animal. Lithe means a very lean, patla sa, hard-muscled animal. That means a thin and strong animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. So he was keeping up well men with the pack means he was able to do all the things which the pack was doing. कि अगर वो भाग रहे हैं तो ये भी भाग पा रहा है. And stretching out in great bounds. Stretching means probably jumping around. His chest almost brushing the ground. So his chest इतनी develop होगी that it was touching the ground now. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open when Tricky saw his mistress. He took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. So, जैसे ट्रिकी को लेके आ रहा था वो उठाकर, so the door of the car was still kept open by the chauffeur. So जैसे ही उसने देखा, he jumped off the doctor's arm in a tremendous leap, means a huge leap, and he sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. She gave a startled "oh" and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. So obviously Tricky was very happy meeting Mrs. Pumphrey's. So initially Mrs. Pumphrey's was startled कि oh, so Tricky is here, because Tricky was all changed, body पूरी transform हो गई थी उसकी. But soon she had to defend herself because he swarmed. Swarm क्या होता है? मतलब it is a group of, जैसे पैक डॉग्स का होता है, swarm is of flies. तो bees का swarm हो सकता है, बहुत सारी bees एक साथ में अटैक कर देती है ना. तो like that he attacked Mrs. Pumphrey. Not actually attacked, he attacked by licking her face and barking. That was an excitement, of course. During the assignment, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats, and bowls, none of which had been used. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window, tears shone in her eyes, her lips trembled. तो सारा का सारा सामान जो भी था वो वापस दे दिया, and none of the things were used by the doctor. And the Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window as the car moved away, and tears were filled in her eyes and lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriet," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? This is triumph of surgery." So she thanked Mr. Harriet that this is, I don't know how to thank you. How can I thank you? This is triumph of surgery. That means it is a victory of surgery. कि आपने इतनी अच्छी सर्जरी की that Tricky is better than ever.